What's up, everybody? It's been a while. My name's Jared. Welcome back to my channel, Wilderness Koi. Today we're going up to Unit 34 in the mountains, also known as the Sacramento Mountains. It's me, my son, and my buddy Proctor. Say what's up, Riker.
What's up?
What's up, guys? There's Proctor, his Jeep. The Jeep's doing pretty good right now. It's hot, so we'll see tonight. We're gonna camp 2 days, see how this trip goes. But I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Well, we just made it to the dirt road, so we just finished up airing down. We're gonna head up in the hills and probably go check out a few ridges and then head to camp tonight and start cooking, set up camp. But hope you guys are staying tuned. Enjoy.
There's a mountain lion over here somewhere.
Where's the mountain lion?
Somewhere.
Really? Yeah, it's probably sleeping.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? We just made it to camp. Pretty sick camp. Got plenty of shade by the trees.
The cow
Wind
just
cover.
wants to come in.
The cow? Yeah. So you check out the fire pit. It's pretty awesome. Got some wood to chop right here. Shoot. It's a nice camping spot. I'm gonna be making some steaks tonight. Might use this fire pit.
They're huge too.
Heck yeah, these are massive, dude. Freaking be a cat in there.
A lot of people camped up here, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. But all right, guys, I'm gonna get camp going and get to cooking. Enjoy. What's up, guys? Cooking some steaks right now. Check them out, looking pretty good. Some asparagus on the fire. Stuff takes forever to cook. This is my little table right here though. I didn't bring one, but it's pretty cool. Boys over here playing some baseball. Heck yeah. Dude, Proctor's got the real stuff out right there. Dude. Over here we're just gonna might cook something on that. I don't know, check it out. But it's a badass camp. Freaking, we're running out of beef. There's some beef right there. All right, y'all have a good one. Good morning, everybody. Shoot, last night was a pretty good night. Freaking passed out, got some good sleep. Didn't get too cold last night. But anyways, we packed up camp. We're gonna head up to maybe like a ghost town today and a couple of cool ridges. So we'll check it out. But it's called Bug Scuffle. I don't know if we can get in there. It might be locked. But all right, guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, we just made it over here to Moore Ridge. It's pretty cool. Sorry for the wind if you can hear it. But there's Gobbler Ridge over here. We're gonna walk down there and show you. I'll show you when I get to the edge. We just made it to camp. Get a fire going, get the tent set up, make some burgers tonight. So pretty nice camp. The meadow. Check it out. All right, stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. Well, that's another adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.